Okay? Bible says, love one another.
Lao quay tờ class là bằng cái Bible class.
Mấy cái phần là phải đi đâu rồi? Đi đâu thôi, Ephesians chapter 2, Ephesians chapter 4 verse 32. Belum pun. Nepali guna. Su kayak kata gitu. Nih. We take woman in the other when you are angry, when you get angry,
Class
when
là
you
bằng
get
cái
angry, remember this verse. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 32. Okay, everyone. Nih. Rupali the Bible verse na belum pun. Mereka sepuluh benda. This Bible verse, Ephesians chapter 4 verse 32. Calm her down, okay? Rupali, when she was angry, this Bible verse helped her to calm down, okay? Ito ang guru na Thâu Nang yung mansay ka kuwag law dahil. Have you ever forgiven someone?